Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming required documents because legality matters and peace of mind prevents stops. Once done, set seat, steering, and mirrors for clear sight lines. Make small adjustments until comfortable. Next, turn the ignition. Listen for odd noises and watch gauges. Make sure parking brake is off. Select Gear 1 if manual or Drive if automatic, and gently ease the clutch or accelerator to begin rolling smoothly. This first motion teaches timing and control. Now you focus on sustained control and situational awareness. Start with smooth steering inputs. Small corrections keep the car balanced. Use turn signals early, then scan mirrors every 5-8 seconds to monitor vehicles behind and beside you. When changing lanes, check blind spots with shoulder glances. Do not rely solely on mirrors. Manage speed with gentle accelerator and planned braking. Maintain a 2-3 second gap to the car ahead. And increase distance whenever roads are wet or visibility drops. To finish a trip, approach your chosen spot slowly and align the vehicle within the stall lines. Once stopped, apply the handbrake, shift to park or neutral, and turn off the engine. This secures the car and prevents roll. Exit when safe, lock doors, and note any unusual sounds or lights to report. If the engine stalls or a warning light appears, steer calmly to the shoulder, shut off accessories, consult the owner manual, and call for help if needed. This preserves safety and prevents further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.